Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how the BlackVue dash cam looks. This is the front view, which is 4K. So this is me just taking my car in to get some work done. I actually had a recall on the seatbelt pretensioners, I believe. And so they were just switching those out, and I guess they ended up topping me off with some fluid. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. I really do like the fact that things like this, now I'm going to be able to see myself, just to make sure that, people are treating my car right. Of course, that's somebody's, one of our worries while we are just driving or just take our car places. We always just want to make sure that people are treating our car like their own. And then here's the quality of the rear view camera. Of course, this one's in the Ultra HD, so not 4K, but as you guys can see, the quality is still really great. I mean, you can clearly see all angles of the car, so that's really beneficial. Really pleased so far with the quality of the dash cam. And then here, I just wanted to show you guys the quality at nighttime. It is also kind of raining, so this is what you guys can expect if you guys do end up purchasing the dash cam for yourself. Be able to lastly, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the audio that you guys can capture while the dash cam is on inside the vehicle. And another cool feature is when you download the app, you're able to see your exact location and the mile per hour that you're driving at. So just in case, you do need that ever as proof, that's always available. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll make sure to use some of the dash cam footage for future videos to come.